In this video, I'll show you how to send a Facebook page access request step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and open the business portfolio you want to use. From the dashboard, go to Business Settings, then select Accounts and choose Pages. Click Add and select Request Access to a Page. Enter the Facebook page name, page URL, or page ID, then select the correct page. Next, choose the level of access you need, such as managing content, messages, ads, or insights. Review the permissions carefully and click Send Request. The page owner, or someone with the required page access, will receive the request and must approve it. After the request is approved, the page should appear in your business portfolio with the permissions that were granted. If the request remains pending, make sure the page information is correct and contact the page owner to let them know you've sent the request. That's how you can send a Facebook page access request through Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.